Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I haven't done a video on TKB trading in a while, so I just wanted to show you guys a little update on TKB trading. So I want to go to tkbtrading.com. So as soon as I go to the website, it tells me we have a longer than usual processing time. We're working on improvement, so be patient. Most orders will ship in 5 to 10 business days. That means Monday through Friday, not including weekends or holidays. After placing your order, you will get an additional update until the day your order actually ships. Okay, well that's good. If your order is quick to ship, it will process in 1 to 3 days. Okay, so this is what it looks like on their website. They have changed it, which is very good. You get tired of the same old look. So I'm going to hit shop lip gloss products, and I like how they have like the kit on the main page for people that want to buy the lip gloss kit. So it says create your own lip gloss using TKB products. We have everything you need to start your own lip gloss. Don't forget to browse micas, blah blah blah. So the Versagel is pretty much the same price. So you still have $6.45 for a 5 ounce, $57 for 3.5, and okay, so they changed this price because we all know a 30-pound pill was $525, but they see what everybody else is charging, like around $400. So now they want to lower it to $495. That's only what, $30? That shouldn't be no more than $425. But anyways, they still have lip gloss tubes, pipettes, all that. So what's new is this right here. So this is basically just a 5 ounce Versagel, and they have lip liquids in like a spouted bag, which I thought is very cute. So in this kit you get the 5.5 ounce of Versagel and 5 different lip gloss liquids. So it's the same thing as pigments, but it's liquid. I personally like liquids because they're not as messy. So instead of the bottles, they put it in spouted bags. Why? I don't know. I personally prefer the little bottles, because with the bottles, you have to add like, I want to say like 20 drops, if I can remember. If you just want to like tint the color, for example, if you want the lip gloss to look pink in the bottle but you want it to apply clear on your lips, you just apply like 1 or 2 drops. So here are the colors. They have pigment white, tickled peach, yummy pink sounds good, pearly pink, chocolate brown, and then the Versagel. So that's very different. I like that. That's unique. And I love how it tells you how many tubes you can make with each size bag. The only thing I wish they did was give you the option to change the size, well, to change the amount of Versagel you want. So it only comes with the 5 ounce, so it should be an option for like a 3.5. So that's the one thing I would suggest they do. The price of this, well, let's see. The Versagel costs $6.45. Each liquid, it costs about maybe $4, I want to say. So let's see. So they have the same colors right here with the peach and the yummy pink. Why is that $5.49? That's pretty high. Oh, or is it coming in a spouted bag? Let's see. Bright, I love how it shows you a little sample of what the color actually looks like. So definitely check out that video. So yeah, it looks like it comes in a spouted. So it's 1 fluid ounce. Okay, because I'm thinking it gives you like way less. So $5.49, I guess that's not too bad. Make sure you click on this picture as well. It tells you if it's safe for lips, eyes, nail polish, So yeah, this is very pretty. Again, I prefer the bottles, but I guess it's giving you a spouted bag. Let's see. Here is the peach. Wow, that peach is really pretty. That is gorgeous. I guess they just trying to make it easy on you to actually make the lip gloss. That's why it's in spouted bags, but the bottles was just fine. I personally wouldn't go back to pigments if I had the choice. Here's the other pink as well. They all are $5.49. One thing I noticed, these flavoring oils, they have, okay, so they used to give you the option to get like, they came in smaller sizes, I want to say. So maybe that's why the price went up. So one fluid ounce is $4.50, four is $12.75, and it comes in a spouted bag. I personally wouldn't recommend people get the spouted bag because, like, I mean, that's fine, but then you end up pouring more than what you actually need. You only really need 2 or 3 drops of flavoring oil. A little goes a long way. It really depends on how big your batch is. So I would like to just keep the bottles, but this is really good. Strawberry is my favorite flavor because it smells really good. Vanilla is cool as well, but it's not compared to strawberry. So that's very interesting that they're doing these spouted bags, but I'm just not a fan of this. What else? So the rest of these pigments are nothing new. Everything else pretty much looks the same. So yeah, they're just putting more liquids in spouted bags. Looks like all of these liquids, yeah, they have all these liquids in spouted bags. Why didn't they just leave it in the bottles? The bottles was just fine. So yeah, I really don't like that. I really don't like these oils being in a bag. But I mean, some people might like that. I don't know where they get that idea from. So yeah, if you want something cheaper, then I recommend just getting a pigment. But if you don't mind the spouted bag, then get the spouted bag. Again, it's going to take 5 to 10 business days to ship. So in 1 or 2 weeks, they will ship unless you order from the quick to ship option. Where that is, I'm not sure. I'm going to type in Versagel. Actually, I'm going to type in TKB Gloss Base, and it should say quick to ship. As you can see right here, it'll say quick to ship, so it's shipping 1 to 3 days. I guess if you click it, blah blah, that's how we want. So I was trying to find like the category of quick to ship products, so you can just shop from there if you don't want to wait so long. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the update on TKB Trading. I don't know if they still have the lip gloss kits, because it's been sold out for the longest. And it's still sold out. I don't know why they won't restock this. This would be a great birthday or a Christmas gift. It really would. This would also be a great giveaway, okay? But they're playing games and they don't want to restock it. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick update on TKB Trading. I have not forgotten about them, okay? It's just that they haven't really been doing too much, you know, new. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.